In this problem, we'll be trying to find a present value of a series of unequal cash flows. Now, this series has the following cash flows: $300 2 years from now, $100 3 years from now, and $400 5 years from now. And we're trying to take the present value of this series, of all three of those payments, back to the present given a rate of 9% per year. So let's begin by drawing out our timeline and placing there on our timeline where those payments occur. So the first $300 payment occurs 2 years from now. So that goes here. Our second payment of $100 occurs 3 years from now. And our last value of $400 occurs 5 years from now. We're trying to find the value of that series of payments, all three of those payments, at time period 0, now at the present. And the way we're going to be doing that is taking the present value of each one of those values back to the present and then adding them, so that the $300 will be discounted back twice. The $100 will be discounted back 3 times, and the $400 will be discounted back 5 times. We add all those together and we'll get the value of all of those as a group in that series. So let me go ahead and erase my line so I can have room to work. So our present value formula states that the present value is equal to the future value divided by 1 plus r, which is our rate of change, to the nth power, which is the number of periods we're discounting the future value. So we'll go ahead and take the present value of the first value there, the 300, and our rate is 9%, and we'll be discounting it back again 2 times. So the present value of the 300 is $252 and about 50 cents. Don't do any rounding here. I'm just rounding to the nearest cent right now for sake of space. And then we can take the present value of our second cash flow at 9%, and again it's going to be discounted back 3 times, and that is $77 and about 22 cents. Again, don't round in your calculations. Again, I'm just rounding here for sake of space. And the present value of our third cash flow, that $400, is discounted back 5 periods, is $259 and about 97 cents. We add all those together and we'll find the present value of all of them as a group, as a series. And let me go ahead and put the final answer over here so it's not hidden down there at the bottom. And our present value of that series is $589 and 69.49 cents, so we'll just round that to the nearest cent.